Maybe fans. So just a this is an eco beehive, but it's got the longer legs. It's got the new roof. It's got the long legs, and it's got bees checking it out. So this one's been in about a month, and I was going to come and spray it again, but there's bees checking it out. So that's pretty cool. If you like this video, don't give me a thumbs up, don't bother about subscribing. Well, I suppose you could subscribe, but tell a friend. YouTube and Instagram are a bit fickle as to how they, even if you subscribe, you never get to see what you subscribe to. So yeah, just don't bother subscribing or giving me a thumbs up. Leave a message, have a chat, and tell a friend. Thanks guys, cheers, bye.